You don't drink too much, just a few glasses on the weekend. A cocktail at dinner, maybe a cold beer to unwind after a long day. That doesn't feel like a problem, and for the most part, it isn't. But over time, something begins to feel off. You wake up groggy even after a full night's sleep. Your thoughts feel slow. You're a little more irritable. Your energy dips earlier in the day, and somehow mornings feel heavier than they used to. This isn't a hangover, it's the quiet cost of alcohol building up in the background of your life. And Cloud9 Daily Restore was created to answer that cost. Not with shame, not with guilt, but with real science-backed support that helps your body recover, rebalance, and return to clarity without asking you to give up the moments you enjoy. What is Daily Restore? Daily Restore is a doctor-formulated supplement designed specifically for health-conscious drinkers. It's not a detox pill, not a hangover remedy, and not another generic multivitamin. It's a daily nutritional protocol built to restore what alcohol depletes, so you can feel good, function clearly, and stay in control of your body and mind. The formulation includes clinically backed nutrients like B1, B12, folate, NAC, milk thistle, DHM, 5-HTP, and ashwagandha. Each ingredient was selected to target the very systems that alcohol gradually wears down. Your liver, your nervous system, your mood, your mental clarity, your energy. Taken daily, this supplement helps your body recover from the invisible cost of regular alcohol use. It restores depleted nutrients, supports natural detox pathways, and strengthens your cognitive and emotional balance. You don't need to quit drinking, you just need to replenish what's been lost. The real problem behind regular drinking, the truth is, alcohol doesn't need to be abused to be damaging. Even 1 or 2 drinks a few times a week can begin to take a toll. After just a couple of drinks, your body starts depleting B vitamins and lowering serotonin levels. Liver detoxification slows down, oxidative stress rises, and your brain's ability to process, focus, and recover begins to dull. Over weeks and months, this creates a quiet decline. Not dramatic, but constant. You feel it in the mornings when you wake up foggy. You feel it in the middle of the day when your energy drops without reason. You feel it in the mood swings, the harder sleeps, and the growing sense that you're just not operating at your full capacity anymore. This isn't something most people notice all at once, but it's there, slowly building, until one day you realize you're not the person you were a few years ago. That's why Daily Restore exists, to stop that invisible slide, reverse the damage, and give you back the energy, focus, and balance that alcohol quietly erodes. How it works. Daily Restore uses a multi-pathway support approach. That means it doesn't just throw vitamins into your system and hope for the best. It works in layers. First, it replenishes the nutrients that alcohol strips away: B1, B12, folate, and other vital compounds essential for cognitive clarity, energy production, and emotional balance. Then it activates liver detox pathways using ingredients like NAC and milk thistle, which are proven to boost glutathione and help your liver filter toxins more effectively. It also supports the nervous system and serotonin production. With ingredients like 5-HTP and ashwagandha, the formula helps ease stress, regulate mood, and restore emotional stability. And finally, it improves mental performance by clearing brain fog, stabilizing neurotransmitters, and optimizing recovery after each drink. The result isn't just waking up better, it's showing up better. Better focus, better energy, better control of your mood and mind. Why it's different? Most so-called recovery products fall into 2 categories. Hangover pills, which offer short-term relief, but no long-term value, or generic multivitamins that weren't designed with drinkers in mind. Daily Restore doesn't fall into either category. It was built specifically for the problems alcohol creates in regular drinkers, both short-term and long-term. It doesn't try to stop you from drinking, it tries to help your body keep up with the demands that drinking places on it, and that makes it different. It's not reactive, it's proactive, it supports the body in real time every single day. This formula doesn't just work on paper, it's already being used by thousands of men and women who report clearer mornings, stronger focus, better moods, and an overall return to normal. Not by giving something up, but by giving the body what it needs, what it helps with. Daily Restore helps restore clarity and reduce brain fog. Especially after drinking, it helps your body process alcohol faster, minimizing the internal stress and fatigue that can linger into the next day. It helps stabilize your mood even when alcohol would normally cause emotional dips. It supports your liver not just in filtering toxins, but in preventing long-term oxidative damage. It helps restore your cognitive sharpness and energy levels, especially if you've been drinking socially for years. It's also one of the only formulas designed to actively rebuild what alcohol damages over time. That includes neurotransmitter health, nervous system stability, and hormonal regulation. The longer you take it, the more your body adapts, heals, and strengthens. Some people notice a difference within the first few days, others take a few weeks, but over time, the results compound and you start to remember what it felt like to feel normal again. Who it's for. Daily Restore is for people who drink occasionally or moderately and care about how they feel after. It's for people who want to protect their long-term health without giving up their social life. It's for people who are tired of waking up foggy, tired of crashing in the afternoon, tired of feeling sluggish and off balance. It's for the health-conscious drinker who understands that alcohol has a cost and wants to finally stop paying it in energy, clarity, or mental performance. It's not about guilt, it's about responsibility. And this formula was made for people who take responsibility seriously. How to use it: you take one capsule once a day, preferably with a meal, that's it. Nothing to mix, nothing to time if you're drinking. It works whether you drink every night or only on weekends. It works best when taken consistently as part of your daily routine. And because it's based on real clinical research, it doesn't rely on hype or placebo. The longer you take it, the better it works. And because it's gentle, plant-based, and easy to absorb, there's no disruption to your body or lifestyle. Real story: Jessica, a 42-year-old mom and entrepreneur, said she didn't want to quit drinking. She just wanted to stop feeling like she was dragging through life. She tried everything, but nothing worked long term. Until Daily Restore. Now she wakes up clear, feels more productive, and says it's the first thing that actually delivered. Pricing and guarantee. You can try Daily Restore for 1 month and feel the difference. Or you can commit to 2, 3, or 6-month plans and maximize your results. Subscriptions are available for convenience, and every order comes with a 60-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. If you don't feel clearer, calmer, or more energized, just send it back. Every penny will be refunded. No games, no pressure. Just a company that stands behind what it makes. Conclusion: alcohol doesn't have to ruin your mornings, drain your energy, or cloud your thinking. You don't have to stop drinking to take better care of yourself. You just have to start giving your body what it needs. Cloud9 Daily Restore is a solution not to drinking, but to the damage drinking causes quietly over time. It's a formula built on science, a product made with intention, and a daily practice that helps you show up clear, balanced, and strong. No matter what last night looked like, it's time to stop accepting the side effects. It's time to feel like yourself again. And with Daily Restore, that starts today.